Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you know when I'm posting. So if you're like, oh my gosh, we just saw this look on you, you did, because I just filmed a video. But I just looked at my subscribers and I am at 130 ish subscribers. I know it could probably change, probably go up or down, but at the time of this filming I'm at 139. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support that you guys have been giving me. I hit 100 subscribers before the end of the year of 2018 and I'm super excited, you guys. So I just wanted to give a couple tips on how you can get your first 100 subscribers. So something that people have been doing it's not really that new. Ever since I've been on YouTube, I've seen people doing it and it seems to work. The only way it works though is to be genuine about it. I think it sucks when people do this method and then kind of screw you over for it. So the best way to do this is to just be genuine and be an actual supporter to the people that you're pushing subscribe for and that you're asking to subscribe to you. So what it is like, here on my video, if you want to go down in my comment section and tell people, hey, I'm a new YouTuber, I'm just starting, let's support each other, and people will subscribe to you. But don't subscribe to someone and then when they subscribe you unsubscribe, because that's not real support. And in the long run, it's going to be karma that you're going to see come back to you. You're going to see yourself starting to lose a lot of subscribers. So it's like the law of attraction, you know, what you put out there will be coming back to you. So just be genuine about it. If you want some real support and you want to really grow your channel and you want other people to do that with you, that's a way to do it. Another way to make sure that you're getting genuine subscribers and you're meeting your goals to get your first 100 subscribers, the best way is to be consistent. And I know that a lot of people say that and it's kind of annoying to hear, be consistent, but it is true. I don't know if you followed me, I'm not even doing makeup and I'm dropping stuff. So if you've been following me on my channel, you know that I completely lost my train of thought. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, if you've been following me on my channel, you know that I've actually been on YouTube for over a year. My husband and I have a channel together, and the times that we saw our channel growing, like seriously growing, was when we were being consistent. And when I say consistent, it's like we would do a certain amount of videos and we would have them posted every so often, whenever it was that we were posting. So for example, for us, we were uploading about 15 videos a day because we were doing reactions. So we were trying to get out there, trying to make ourselves seen, and that was the best way to do it because everybody's doing reactions. So it's like, if you want to be seen, you kind of just gotta overload the internet with yourself. And so that was our way to be consistent, and we were making sure that we were doing that every single day. Monday, I think we did it Monday through Sunday, every single day. And when we slowed down, you know, we saw our subscribers slow down, we saw our views slow down, we saw everything slow down. So the best way to make sure that you're getting people's attention is to be consistent. And it's not that you have to post every day, it's that you have to post every single time. Like if you're posting on Wednesdays, make sure you post every Wednesday. Don't take a week off. Post every Wednesday. If you're posting every Monday and Friday, post every Monday and Friday. I promise you, even if it feels like it's a lot of work, eventually it will pay off and you will see the results that you want to see. I post every Monday through Friday. I think I'm going to start doing Monday through Saturday. That's just because I really want to not overload, but I want to make sure that my videos are being seen. I've seen the results of quote unquote overloading the internet with myself. So if I'm doing that and I've seen it works, I don't see the point in not doing it. And I like what I'm doing so much that it doesn't feel like a strain or a job to me to be doing what I want to do. I want to make sure that these videos get up. I want to make sure that they're up every day. And for people who like me, even though I'm a new channel, might want to binge watch my channel. And if there's nothing for them to binge watch, they may not subscribe. Or if they were subscribed, they may unsubscribe. So those are just things that you have to think about when you're starting your channel. some people will make a bunch of videos before they even start their channel. They'll just record a bunch of videos and they'll put themselves on a schedule. They'll upload all of them, but then they'll schedule them to be posted at a certain time. You know, there are ways that you can do things. You just have to understand what you can do for yourself and what's best for your channel. So those are just a couple tips that I believe truly do work if you're trying to get to your goals of reaching 100 subscribers, 500 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers. These are ways that I believe that it will help. And again, please be genuine if you are leaving comments in the comment section of anybody's video saying, let's support each other. If you want that support, you have to give support. You can't expect people to do that for you and you don't do it for them. When I say I subscribe to someone, I am truly subscribing to you. I'm not a big person on commenting, but I need to get better at that, because when someone's doing something that I like, they should know it, you know? And if I like what you're doing, sometimes a thumbs up is not good enough, because some people want to know from you specifically that you like something that they're doing. So, you know, that's another way to make sure that you're getting people's attention, because you can tell when someone is commenting who has a channel and someone who's commenting who's just a viewer. So, you know, those type of things are things that you need to think about. I don't want this video to be too long. And disclaimer, I'm not telling you guys to go on anybody's channel and do the subscribe for me. Don't spam people. Don't just go on people's channel like, hey, come subscribe to my channel. Like, did you even watch the video, or did you just come here to promote yourself? Like, that's a little selfish, and that's not showing support. That's just asking for support, and that's spamming. They call that spamming. And honestly, your comment might not even ever get seen. It may just go straight to spam. So just keep that in mind. Just understand that. I don't mind if people do that on my video. It's not that big of a deal. I honestly don't think it's that big of a deal. I don't even care if you spam my videos. If you're asking people to support you, I just ask, if you're putting those comments down in anybody's video, please be genuine about it, you know? Just keep that in mind. I'm ranting. I know that people do that to me, and it does hurt my feelings, because I'm genuinely subscribed to all the people that I said that I would be subscribed to, and when you don't receive that back, it can hurt your feelings. But don't, you know, for the people who get treated like that, don't feel too bad, because again, a law of attraction. How you treat people is how you will be treated. So the universe is watching you, and what you did will come back on you. So just remember that. But I don't want to end this with like a karma type thing. But I just want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel and who has been showing me all the love and support and all the positive comments that I've been getting. Thank you so much, because it keeps me going. You guys have no idea. When you comment and you tell me that you like something, it helps me to be able to come up with another video, because it's like, oh, they like that. So maybe I should do it like this time, and maybe I can incorporate that into this. It helps. And, you know, we should do that as a community, as YouTubers, as viewers. We should all be giving advice, constructive criticism, or just saying, hey, I like this video, I really like this video, you should do more of these. I got a lot of people saying, I can't wait to see your next video, I'm learning a lot from you. And it's funny, because I started this channel to kind of teach myself how to do makeup, and yet I'm clearly helping other people, because you guys are telling me that I am. Don't lie to me. Don't tell me that I'm helping you and I'm really not. So, you know, but it's nice to hear things like that. And I've got family members telling me that they watch my channel to try to learn how to do things, and you know, I've been told I need to do more of explaining and go into better detail of stuff. So stuff like that, if you feel like I'm not doing something right, please tell me down in my comment section. I don't mind hearing the truth. I need to hear the truth. I need to know what I'm doing wrong or what you guys want to see. So just remember those things. Those were a few tips that you can remember to try to get your first 100 subscribers. I truly believe that they work. Stay consistent, be positive, show support, and you'll get support. And yeah, so I just want to say thank you to you guys. Thank you for my first 100 subscribers. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.